Hey everyone, just landed in Dallas. Gonna be a short trip. So in this video, we're just gonna show a room tour of my hotel at the Westin in Dallas, and also a walking tour of the Galleria Mall in Dallas. Hey everyone. So I'm in Dallas, Texas. A really quick trip. So this is I'm staying at the Westin Galleria in Fort Worth, Dallas. So this is my king size 1 bedroom hotel. I'm on the 10th floor, and yeah, so really quick trip. It's actually connected to the Galleria Mall here in Dallas, so I don't even have to go outside. Just hop on the second floor, and then there's the mall. It's connected to the yeah. So basically, pretty good size room. View of the I don't know what highway that is. It's my first time in Dallas, so this I'm at a basically in the business center area. So got the see what's here. We got a chair. We got a nice bench right there. We got coffee, tea, and water as an in-room safe. There's a coffee maker. Oh, guest use minibar. Look at that. Look at that. Use the minibar. All right. We got the we got Starbucks for coffee. Got some snacks. Free bottled water. Already grabbed one in the lobby. Got a couple of glasses. Some drawers. All right. Another lounge chair and a table. Of course, there's the bed. Good sized TV. My name on it. Of course, I guess most hotels do that now. Desk, chair, pretty long desk. A mirror. Hello, everyone. Closet, the robe. All right. Nice big shower, walk-in shower. Got the old shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. My white tea. All right. Got your standard toilet and your vanity mirror. Hello, everyone, again. So yeah, so this is just a one-nighter in Dallas. Fly back home. All right, we'll go walk around the mall later. I'll see you guys later. We are at Nando's Peri Peri Chicken, and I have dinner here. And try the honey lavender lemonade, limited time only.
Get a bowl.
Get a bowl.
I'm gonna get a Portuguese continental.
Oh yeah,
Gotta go
definitely,
with those, right?
definitely.
And some drink. Maybe what flavors of lemonade are.
Oh yeah,
Where'd you see the flavor of lemonade?
right
Oh,
there.
right there.
Yeah, definitely the bowl,
Oh, yeah.
and yeah, definitely that for dessert.
Yeah.
That looks good. Yeah. Oh, get us this.
Never know, huh?
You never know, right? We're all sharing.
Where's the bar?
Where is it? Oh, we should go there. Okay.
6 dozen oysters?
Yeah. Let's go to the oyster bar.
All right, hey, it's morning time here in Dallas. So I'm just gonna walk around outside of the mall. The mall's not open yet. It's around 8 a.m. So last day in Dallas. I'm gonna fly out tonight. Our hotel, our Westin hotel, which is this tall building up here. So, got the Grand Lux Cafe. The only one I know is been to is Las Vegas at the Venetian and the Palazzo. This one's not open 24 hours like the Venetian. There's a lot of construction going on out here, as you can see. I'm probably gonna walk back the other way, where the lobby is, where the valet parking is. There's Grand Lux. And see what's on the other. All right, I'm on the other side, heading towards the other end of where the mall is. So this must be the entrance of the Galleria here. We've got a North Italia restaurant. Oh yeah, this is the entrance of the Galleria Dallas. Let's go walk down here. It's a nice looking mall. Too bad I wasn't able to check it out last night. Got in pretty late. I'll see later if we do come back here and check out the inside. If not, maybe where we're having lunch, or at the airport, back at the airport at Dallas Fort Worth. There's some outdoor dining at this restaurant. As you can see, it's already a lot of traffic here already on this Tuesday morning. Looks like there's a game day connection here. I don't know if you can walk around though. No, I guess you can walk around. Look at that. Yeah. Just walk around here. But good. Nothing's open. There's a Banana Republic store here. We've got until 9 a.m. About a few minutes here till our Uber ride arrives. There's a gas. Oh, there's that sports memorabilia store. There's a Lucky brand jeans. It looks like it's a tri-level mall. Game store and toys. It's nice of them to open the mall this early. You can have a good old nice exercise. Walking exercise. I already ate light breakfast. Maybe there's a Starbucks that's open here. Grab me a cup of coffee. Grab that cup of Joe. The Sephora. Guest services must be the middle of the mall. There's a LV here, Louis Vuitton. Nice wall decor. There's some people walking around. Oh, there's. Oh, I think they're kicking people out. I believe it. Oh, there's a Starbucks up there. Oh, maybe I can grab me a cup of coffee. Yeah. Oh, look at this. It's a nice ice rink, right on the first floor. Look at that. Galleria Dallas. That's what it says on the floor. Let's see here. Oh, let's go head up to Starbucks. Oh no, they turned on the music. I'm gonna have to edit this if it's copyrighted music. Macy's. Wetzel pretzel. Love their pretzels. I don't know how busy Starbucks is. Oh, I'll have to go around. Oh, it's a pretty big mall. So that's called the Galleria Dallas Ice Skating. There's sprinkles. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. There's a sprinkles vending machine. Got that spring decoration up. All right, there's a corner bakery cafe. Morning. There it is right there. And there is no line like Starbucks. So I guess better get back to the room. Squishables. There you go, Eva. Big squishable store. Go head downstairs. There's a shoe palace right there. a Paris bakery, not open. All right, I'll head back to the hotel. I'm gonna go catch an Uber. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, I can get out. All right, from here. All right. Let's get this camera situated here. Beautiful day here in Dallas. Not bad. It's supposed to reach up to high 80s today, but right now it's nice and cool. What is the temperature? It's 59 degrees currently. Another shot video of the front of the Galleria Dallas shopping mall. All right, let's go. Go ahead and head back to the lobby of the Westin here. Okay, I'll catch you guys later.
To San Francisco. There's a hailstorm going on right now outside, so the ramp is closed, so we're not going to be able to push back until this little thunderstorm gets out of here, and then they'll allow the ramp workers to get back out and they'll push us. Hopefully that won't take too long. Once airborne, 3 hours and 14 minutes. We'll give you an updated arrival time.